Get Rich Slow with John Wolf. Hey, one question that I get asked not so often, but usually when I am asked this question, it's from a very interesting person, is how would I start investing? How would I invest my first $1,000? And one of the most interesting things to me is most of the people who ask this question are young business owners or entrepreneurial people. And for them, I have a very different answer than I would give someone who, let's say, has a pretty standard government W-2 job and is only expecting 3% increases in pay every year for forever. And the person who I'm thinking of myself this time is somebody who just got their food cart started. And I am hoping they do super well. And they called me and asked me what I thought about the application Robinhood, which lets you do zero fee trading on the stock market. And I'll get to that zero fee part in a second. But what I told her to do was, no, don't invest money in anybody else. Ultimately, just about everywhere you invest money, it's someone else's business venture and they're trying to get money to do more cool things and make more money. But especially if you yourself are an entrepreneur, you are not gonna, on a publicly traded stock, make the kind of return on investment that you can make on making your own business successful moving forward. So what I told her was, absolutely do not invest in Robinhood. What you need to do is you need to buy the next piece of equipment, buy advertising, buy training, or just have the working capital to succeed in your own business. Do not be giving other people your capital. And back to the, zero fee trading. So this is definitely something the financial community doesn't like to tell you about. And I think I might be forgetting the exact terminology, but if you worked for a brokerage that sold stocks and whatever, like Wolf on Wall Street, kind of a boiler room thing, they are supposed to make a percentage of the trades as profit. I believe an illegal way that they make money is front running the trade, which is basically, they're ready to make a trade and they see that the stock is, 41 cents. But what they do is they buy the stock. After their buy happens, the next available trade is 10 cents a stock more, but they give you that price, not the price they actually bought it for. And there's a bunch of mechanisms for doing this. When you hear about high frequency trading and algorithms doing the trading, that's basically the legal way they have figured out about how to front run trades. But anyways, any app like Robinhood or whatever needs to be working on a mechanism like that, or they would have no way of making money. I'm not accusing them of a specific wrongdoing, but frankly, if they aren't running a system like that in a legal way, then they're super missing the boat, and I don't know how they're doing any advertisements. Do you? Anyways, John Wolf, Get Rich Slow with John Wolf. Have an awesome day. Bye.